A broad range of parents attended the Smart Kids highly engaging Equip Your Child for Success workshop on Saturday the 10th of February 2018. This event was kindly hosted by Harmony Christian Centre in Basildon. It kicked off with Bumi Adekeye's interactive presentation of an overview of the UK education system. In this session, she outlined how to find a good school and highlighted the role of a parent in positioning his or her child for success.
Anybody here know how to find a good school? Just shout out what you think. What should you be looking for if you're looking for a good school?
League tables.
League tables? Yeah? Ofsted report, that's good. You have to look at both the league table and the Ofsted report. You need to find out more. You said something very good about speaking to other parents. Yes, but you need to know that parent. Is that a parent that knows what they're looking for? Because it could be the blind leading the blind.
Next, Tracy Campbell led the Inspiring Behaviour Basics workshop, where she emphasised the need for clear and positive communication of rules, as well as the rewards and consequences of following or breaking them.
Your children will not be able to aspire for higher if they don't know how to behave. So this is the foundation that enables your child to be and do all of the things that Paul just spent literally an hour talking to us about. But it doesn't start with me, it starts with you. You teach character, we teach curriculum, but we need to work in partnership.
This was followed by a Q&A session with Bumi and Tracy in the panel before the audience broke out into smaller groups. The breakout groups were Getting the Foundation Right at Key Stage 1 and Key Stage 2, led by Bumi Adekeye, Preparing for the 11 Plus exams, led by Lola Olojo, and Preparing for GCSEs, led by Bola Abiloye. In the Key Stage 1 and Key Stage 2 session, the attendees participated in an exercise which helped them understand the league table progress scores better. Following the breakout sessions, there was another Q&A session with Bumi, Lola and Bola in the panel. Overall, the workshop was a huge success with excellent feedback, so watch out for our next Parent Empowering event coming soon. If you'd like to keep up with what the Smart Kid has to offer, then subscribe to our channel and be sure to check out our website. Details are in the description box below. Thanks for watching.